In the Western medical system, we are badly broken. We are not serving patients well. After medical school, I went to residency at the University of Washington in Seattle, one of the most prestigious universities in the country, one of the highest rated hospitals in the country for primary care. No discussion of nutrition, no discussion of food or food quality, and no discussion of what is actually making patients sick. What I was told, what I was charged with throughout my medical education was memorizing thousands of drugs, understanding their side effects, and understanding when to prescribe them. The medical system is badly broken, and I've been through it. And I think this is not surprising. Pharmaceuticals, look, they have a role in our society. They're not entirely bad, but the pharmaceutical companies are wildly invested in medical education, in medical research. At the level of the FDA, at the level of the USDA, there is profound corruption. 19 out of the 20 members of the USDA Dietary Guidelines Committee have ties to the food industry and pharma. What is going on here? This is why we are so sick as humans. This is why we are so sick. But there is hope here. There is a ray of light. There is something that is better. After seeing all of this, I eventually left Western medicine. I don't practice Western medicine as a doctor. I became so disillusioned that 5 years ago, I started making no-cost, zero-cost content on the internet. I became an internet doctor. And now I make content. I make educational content. And the goal of that content is to just give people information, to empower all of you to be able to make yourselves healthy again. What I have seen in those 5 years is profound. Many of you have experienced this. I have met so many of you at this conference who have already told me your stories, have already told me how you have healed yourselves by changing the quality of the foods you eat. This is incredible. I have seen so many people, thousands of people in those 5 years, heal from diseases that Western medicine taught me and my colleagues were incurable. Diabetes, obesity, depression, dementia, insomnia, infertility, autoimmune conditions, autoimmune skin conditions like eczema, psoriasis, thyroid conditions, GI conditions, Crohn's, ulcerative colitis, rheumatoid arthritis, multiple sclerosis. These are profoundly scary words in Western medicine. These are diseases that cannot be cured, and yet many of you have cured these diseases. I've met you at this conference, and I've seen thousands of people do this. And so this is the hope. The tragedy is that Western medicine is broken. Here is the hope. Here's what I will tell you based on my personal experience. You have a God-given birthright to radical, profound health. You have a God-given birthright to that. And if you change the quality of the food that you eat and the way that you are living, you can heal yourself.